Hello everyone, there is a high chances that the Huawei is working on a new foldable flagship and it is reported to be Huawei Mate X3. The upcoming new generation phone will deliver a new user experience that has never been felt earlier by the consumers. Additionally, a tipster reported that Huawei Mate X3 will be equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor. But similar to Huawei P50 series, there will also be a Kirin 9000 4G processor variant. Recently, another Vivo tipster discloses that the testing models of Huawei Mate X3 foldable phone are ready. However, the Huawei Mate X3 is testing with Kirin 9000 4G processor and HarmonyOS 2.0.1 software system. Further, he added that this phone has an invert display similar to the previous Mate X series models. It packs its 4500 mAh battery and new features of HarmonyOS. To be mentioned, the Mate X3 powered by HarmonyOS 2.0.1 phone's testing version were different from the final version. Earlier this month, a Huawei phone with code number PAL-AL00 speculated as Mate X3 and has obtained the MIIT certification. The listing discloses that this phone comes pre-installed with HarmonyOS operating system and supports 4G networks. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.